a young guy, and I handle logisticals and security for Refashionista Sheri. And you're loving my cool jumpsuit here that she made me, and the awesome matching hat, and of course my fantastic shoes here. But yeah, the beard. The beard is always the best part, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's not Guy. I'm Guy. And I handle logisticals and security for Refashionista Sheri. But, yeah, she made me this. And, I think the resemblance is pretty darn good. But, today we're doing the troll time. And, today's troll is really not a nice one. Not at all. It gets a little bit personal. And, today's troll, her name is, Olivia. So, this is what Olivia decided she needed to write to Sheri. Stop acting crazy. You look insane. I feel sorry for your kids. They must be so embarrassed by you. First of all, Sheri's only got one kid, not plural, just one. I know she's super old and it's super surprising to these people that she's only got one kid, but you know what? She only got one kid. And not really sure. What does she mean? Do we look insane right now? I don't think we look insane. We're looking pretty cool, actually. But to each their own. But I really don't think it's okay to bring in somebody's personal life or their families when, you know, all Refashionista Sheri's doing is what? What's so crazy what she's doing? She is teaching people for free how to live more sustainably and how to transform their closets into something like they actually want to wear and they feel good wearing. I don't understand what is crazy about that. That's, you know, and then she's got a staff of characters, which means, you know, she's throwing in a little bit of her acting talents and everything, a bit of comedy to, you know, to have some fun, to spread some joy, some positivity. And the thing is, you know what? Hey, Sheri's kid. Is your mom crazy?
Yeah.
And are you embarrassed by her?
No.
Like, why would you be embarrassed by her, right? She's friggin' hilarious, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. So yeah, Olivia, I think more to the point is, aren't your kids embarrassed by you? Because you're having to go online and say such hateful, cruel things to a stranger who's just trying to be funny and spread some sunshine. That's weird. And if you don't have kids, I don't know, I don't care. But you should feel embarrassed by your own self, right? And I think anybody who thinks it's okay to go online and do these kind of comments, you're not okay. And you are embarrassing, and you are an embarrassment. And I think it's about time that, as I always say, look at yourself in the friggin' mirror and stop it. If you yourself are not capable of putting out something pleasant for the world to see, like Refashionista Sheri does, then zip your lip. Zip it. And if you are capable of positivity, then that's what you spread around. That's what you spread around to your own people in your lives and also to strangers online. Spreading hate is useless and it's stupid. And anyone who decides, oh, but I don't like what they do, so I gotta be a keyboard warrior and write something. Nah, you don't gotta do that. You are a total hole if you do that. And I'm getting heated because I think it's about time that all of this has to stop now. You know, troll time is funny and everything, but sometimes those trolls, they get a little bit too much, and it's not good. So anytime you yourself can stop someone from maybe behaving this way, do it. You know, if you see what are they called, a Karen, or I don't know what's the male version of a Karen.
Ken.
Anyway, a Ken. The kid says a Ken, but isn't that a Ken? I used to be a Ken, but now he's a guy. Anyways, if you see that in real life, try to put a stop to it. If it's safe to do so, mind you. If it's not safe to do so, then don't do it. If you see it on the line, then, you know, report that person. If you don't want to respond to the comment yourself, the very least you can do is report them, because it's not nice, then it's not good. But I guess that's all about, that doesn't even make sense. That's about all I got to say right now. So from little mini guy here and big guy, we wish you a very, very lovely day, and to stay safe and stay well. And as Sheri always says, we will catch you on the zigzag. All righty.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.